How to deep clean your laminate floors. In this video we're going to tackle the topic of keeping your laminate floors in tip-top shape. Whether you're wondering how to clean laminate floors, how to make them shine, or how to deal with a paint spill, we've got the solutions for you. Let's jump right in. Maintaining the beauty of your laminate floors is easy with a few simple steps. First, let's address the general cleaning process. How to clean laminate floors. To clean laminate floors, you'll want to start by dry sweeping or vacuuming the surface to remove loose dirt and debris. Next, fill a bucket with a mixture of warm water and a mild, pH-neutral cleaning solution. Dip a microfiber mop into the cleaning solution, making sure to wring out excess water. You want the mop damp, not soaking wet. Then, mop the floor using gentle, back-and-forth motions. This helps remove any dirt or grime without leaving behind streaks. For those looking to add a little extra shine to their laminate floors, consider using a specially formulated laminate floor cleaner. Just follow the manufacturer's instructions for the best results. How to get paint off laminate floor. Now, accidents happen, and if you find paint on your laminate floor, don't worry. Here's how to get paint off laminate floor. If the paint is still wet, blot it with a clean, dry cloth to absorb as much as possible. For dried paint, gently scrape it off using a plastic scraper. Be cautious not to scratch the surface. Wipe the area with a damp cloth to remove any residue. How to remove paint from laminate floor with rubbing alcohol. If there's still a stubborn paint stain, dampen a cloth with rubbing alcohol. Gently rub the stained area, and the paint should start to lift. Again, wipe the area clean with a damp cloth. How to mop laminate floors. Finally, let's talk about the best way to mop laminate floors. Remember, excess water is not your friend. Always use a damp mop, and if you're using a mop and bucket, make sure to wring out the mop thoroughly. Mop in the direction of the laminate planks to avoid water seeping into the seams. This not only cleans the surface effectively but also prevents any potential damage. And there you have it, a clear guide on how to clean laminate floors, make them shine, and handle paint spills. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical home care advice. Until next time, happy cleaning!